Hello everyone friends, on the WellR channel. Today I'll show you how to play a CurseForge Modpack with friends. This is all done with one additional mod that you simply install into the pack itself. Type Essential Mod, yes, Essential Mod in Google. Go to the site and click download. Open the installer. You can close this now. Click Start, select CurseForge, and then choose the mod pack where you want to install this mod. You can pick anyone. Here are all my mod packs, the builds I currently have. Choose anyone. I'll select this one and click Install. There, CurseForge needs to be closed for this. Next, open CurseForge. Launch your mod pack. And in the game itself, in the main menu, you'll be able to add a friend who also has this mod. To do this, go to Social, click Add Friend, and type in their username. The username is here, in the account section. You can also browse through the settings here, but basically just enter your world and click the social button. Oops, actually click the invite button and invite your friend from your list. That's it, this was WellR. Bye everyone.